Hey guys, let me show you all box accessories that you can find on the Nothing Phone 4a. So there's pretty nice packaging on this phone actually, but if you don't want to break this box, you have to carefully open it. And now there's the first box, there's the second one that looks like this with some marking on the top. And here we can just find the foil that comes with the phone. There's nothing inside here. And right now, when you take off this one, what you can find? Well, there's the silicone case. It's not a matte, it's a shiny, transparent case that looks just like this. It's flexible, but it's pretty thick actually, so it will protect your phone pretty nice. There's also the double USB-C cable with nothing marking. And inside we can find SIM ejection tool and some paperwork like energy information, and there's the quick start guide.